What's up, everybody in TV world? Everybody in TV land, chilling. This cold December. We're halfway through. And in Texas, man, it's cold day. Anyways, tired, man. I've been tired, sleeping. Can't stay up, can't stay awake. It's a nice day on Saturday. It's somewhere in the high 40s, but hey, man, I'm dressed pretty warm. Anyways, today's episode is how to free up your hinges on your barbecue pit doors. It could be the doors, the firebox door, anything with a door and some hinges in the handle on it. I'm gonna show you how to free it up without using PB penetrator or WD-40. All you gonna need is some regular old dirty, used up cooking oil, cooking grease, whatever you want to call it. And you're gonna need old sorry paintbrush, old sorry toothbrush, whatever you got laying around. And it ain't take you long. Oh, get you a little old hammer too, so you ain't gotta use all your muscles like Popeye say. Y'all check this out. So you want to do the inside and the outside. You don't have to heat the grill up or nothing. I just happen to be getting ready to put some ribs on, and just thought I'd go ahead and show y'all this little secret technique. Now, the $52 million question is, so this is just some random old bacon grease I had left over. That's what I usually use to start my fires with, grease. But I just had some bacon grease left over. Anyway, so $52 million question is, if used bacon grease to free up rust on a metal hinge so you can turn the knob, should we be eating bacon? Should we eat the grease? What is the grease doing to our body? I'm just saying, it's something to think about. It wasn't nothing harmful or corrosive. It was just bacon grease, man. Just got some old used bacon grease in a brush, and it was stuck so bad I had to tap on it with my hammer. Woo, man, I could close that door, man. Till next time, everybody. Peace out. No, y'all don't know what I'm talking about. Y'all don't know what I'm saying.